3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 14th day of October. James Spann here. Wet is the word again today, and by the weekend, it's going to turn downright chilly. Coldest air so far this season doing here. So a lot to talk about. Let's go right to it. Skycam shot this morning. There's the Birmingham Skycam. The good news, the rain last night was not as heavy as forecast by any of the models. And the heavier rains are already down to the south, and the flash flood watch has been canceled. And that's great news, but still, it will be cloudy and wet today. Rain is falling down in Chilton County at Clanton this morning. And from Auburn, down in Lee County, clouds and rain on a Wednesday morning. Here's the water vapor satellite shot. And again, you can see the nice plume of moisture here across the southeastern states. Big storm out west. Let's look at the surface chart. The models depict a warm front now north of us with a surface low back off to the west. And really, all of that is farther east than you see in this analysis, as the surface low is now closer to the Alabama-Mississippi state line. And again, a very powerful storm out there in California. That'll be interesting to watch. There could be some pretty serious mudslides out in the Los Angeles area today. There's the radar at 4:55, and you can see the heaviest rain is now along and south of Interstate 59. Some light showers are redeveloping back over Pickens County, and there's no doubt we'll see rain at times today. It just looks like the threat of any additional flooding for now has ended, so that's great news. And there's the big picture, and you can see that the really good axis of heavy rain is running from Mobile up to Atlanta and Greenville, South Carolina. And not much happening back off to the north and west. And there is unstable air, but it's way down south over the Gulf Coast region. So again today, cloudy, some light rain. There's the watch warning map. The flash flood watch has been canceled here. It stays in effect for areas off to the east over Georgia and South Carolina. Up north, winter weather advisories, and out west, some coastal flood watches out there and flood issues over California. Temperatures, it's awfully cold over Canada. And yep, we're going to see some of that this weekend, as the coolest air of the season is due in here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so far this season. Convective outlook for today, just low-end probabilities down south. No formal severe weather risk, and the same thing tomorrow. Just those 5% probabilities for extreme South Alabama. We don't expect any severe weather problems. Now, this is rain for the next 5 days, and this counts the rain we had last night. But this is still showing 4 inches through parts of central Alabama. This is valid through Sunday evening, so through the weekend. I don't think it rains that much from here on. I'd say additional rainfall amounts of about 1 inch are more likely today and tomorrow. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock today. Very fast upper flow across the country. Down below that, that surface wave, the model depicts today near Montgomery at midday with the heavier rain over Georgia. So, again, there could be some rain at times today, but the really heavier rains are off to the east. Tonight will probably be dry but cloudy. And then tomorrow, here comes that next bit of energy in the upper air, and down below that, there should be some rain in response to that, but more than likely it will be light rain at times. I don't think it rains enough tomorrow to cause any additional flooding problems, and that's good. And then Friday, we get into cold air advection. I think it'll be a raw day. Clouds, windy, colder. We'll be in the 50s all day. And look at that trough developing on Saturday. A strong vortex rounding the base of that thing near Columbus, Mississippi. And understand, we've talked about this. I'm not so sure it's going to be sunny at all. I've got gradual clearing, and even that's in doubt. And by golly, with that kind of vortex, you might better put in some chance of sprinkles or light rain on Saturday. And we'll have to visit that possibility if the 12Z run looks like that. And again, the 540 line is down there below Birmingham. We could stay in the 40s all day. I think the Moss numbers are too high. And, we see that 534 ring up there at Memphis. And you have to, of course, most of that's cold air aloft, the reason for those really low thickness values. But still, you have to wonder if there could be a few snowflakes up there over Tennessee and Kentucky on Saturday. And then Sunday, it's going to be a brighter day. We think will be sunny on Sunday. And Sunday morning, the latest guidance has 39 for Birmingham. Now, I don't think we see any frost because notice the surface high is still over, Longview, Texas. So we'll have a north wind, and any frost for the colder valley seems unlikely. But Monday, now on the other hand, that thing is right over us, and I wouldn't be shocked if we do see frost in the colder valleys Monday morning. And again, average lows will be around 40, but the colder spots getting down there in the 34 to 39 degree range. But the sky will be sunny, and Monday we get up in the low 70s as a pretty good warming trend begins. Tuesday will be dry, and that's kind of a transition day. The winds turn around to the south. Wednesday, moisture returns. The day will probably be dry, maybe a shower by Wednesday night, and a week from tomorrow looks awfully wet and maybe stormy with a surface low north of us up there around Nashville. Into the forecast this October the 29th, another trough over the east, and looks cool. Maybe some rain out there, and of course every run looks different. As you know, we are just looking for trends. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.